Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Right now, we're getting a bounce back. It can still come down. The biggest support is at 75K, so be cautious. Tesla also getting a big bounce back. My order's activated at 320 something. Let's see if it activated at 302. And I'm going to see if the recent order is activated, but already it's bouncing back in pre-market. But I do think it can come down to 260 and 200 even. So I'm going to be buying down as it comes down. I've already entered around 30% back in the position that I sold at 430. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and the bell. And it's quite amazing, actually. Think about it. We bought Tesla. If you've been following me with Tesla for, 5 years now since I made the first video about Tesla. We were trading it 5 years ago and buying it, but even just recently, we were buying it at $100 2 years ago, sold it at $430, and now we're rebuying it down here, which is amazing. And if you learn this in the Stockroom Master Course, Crypto Master Course, you understand these things, you're going to be financially independent, which is the best thing that I can do for you. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account, the trade's still quite in the negative. Account pumping a little bit back up. I did withdraw quite a bit, if you remember, on the Bybit hack. So my account is actually near or close to all-time highs, which is beautiful. But now I'm just going to keep it from this amount that I'm showing now and start trading it up from there because, anyway. So you can see here where I bought 85. It came down to 82. Didn't trigger any buys there. We're back at 86. So the buys that I was doing here at 85 were in profit. This one is not yet in profit. So they're still not in profit, but some are. But I should have actually added more here on the bottom to bring down the average price. That would have been better movement. Right now, I'll set a buy at, I've got a buy at that recent low at 80K. Let's also set a buy here at this recent low. Half a Bitcoin here. 0.5. Yep, 0.5. I'll set half a Bitcoin at 82K. So 82K, 80K, and then I've got my Ethereum trade, 16K. Ethereum getting a bounce and coming back. Let's set a buy on Ethereum at 2,200. 5 Ethereum, see if it triggers. But I need to build up the position slowly because I already have quite big positions. This one on Ethereum, I've got a $168,000 position, and this one on Bitcoin is a $838,000 position. Bitcoin, I'm actually getting paid to keep this trade open. Interesting. These are all coins that I'm holding. They're not loading right now. I have to wait for it. I'll show you on the technicals. So we go into technicals. You learn all trading view in the Crypto Master Course, Stockroom Master Course. I've been doing it for many, many years, so I hope you learn a lot from me. Solana up about 3%, Doge, altcoins bouncing, Bitcoin bouncing, Uniswap bouncing, one of the strongest. The SEC case was also taken off them. They're one of the biggest, if of all the companies, Uniswap is one of the ones that makes the most money. Let's buy more. I've got 27,000. I bought Uniswap actually on the drop. You can see where I bought. Uniswap. I got it almost close to the exact, or close to the bottom at 7.8. Now we're at $8. Let's buy another 3,000 just to bring it up. I want to buy it though on red days, or I could set another low buy order here. Let's set a low buy order here and I'll just leave it. $3,000. I like setting low buy orders when we've pumped so much and we're at like close up at the top of the markets and stuff like this. Let's go into Ethereum. Going into Ethereum, 2347. Actually, I'm going to just do the whole video like this, actually. Let's try it like this. Descending wedge. You can see where it's going to the weekly at 2,000. So best to set buy at 2,000 on Ethereum because you can see where that descending wedge is going. Volume is pumping. So at some point, this is going to break out of this massive wedge that goes back to... Okay, so I'm going to add more position here then. I've got buys already on Ethereum at 2259, but the position is getting quite big. Okay, I'll let the lower buy orders trigger if there's any panic in the markets. I've got a few buy orders going down. That would be the best. Join us also in the Telegram. Show us your bags, Trump or Pumper. You can see I bought Trump $4, $9 in my videos here. Sold at $55. Slow down, we don't hear because of Trump pump. Most of those comments you read were bullshit comments, ignorant people. So sad they would even give them any oxygen. You were tricked by we were tricked by good morning. M2 increase, so it should come back soon if strategic reserve comes into play. Major new all-time highs. This is what everyone's discussing. Also, join them in the Telegram. You can go into the live chat. There's 854 people online. 854 people. Talk with everyone. Be cautious. Learn from everyone. Don't send anyone money or bank account or access or anything. Be cautious in here, but learn from everyone. There's a lot of people that have taken the courses. Beast scams, Goy cattle on Mr. Beast raising money at $5 billion valuation. You can join them in the conversation. There's a lot of people there. Also on X, follow me on X, 102,000 followers. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. So you can see what I've been talking about. Tesla, this is when I sold Tesla, selling my Tesla here. This is what we bought. You can see here, adding more into Tesla, 22nd of the 4th, 2024. I was buying Tesla at $142 when we were on the video, and way back in 2000, if you've been following my videos since 2020, we were buying it back then. 2020, that means we were buying it at like down here, like no dollars, like $20, $40, we were buying it. Crazy. Amazing. Congratulations. Before the split. Anyway, but this one I was buying at 140, and then I sold it here in December. You can see this date here, December, 28,000 people. That's when I sold it selling my Tesla here, wild year. Then Tesla was down 13% since I sold 3 days ago at 431. And then Tesla now, I sold at 430, and now Tesla dropped massively. Tesla was down all the way 40% since December. So it's down massive, 290, but I started adding more in here, and I'm going to be adding at 261 and 209. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Also, I've got a Chinese voiceover channel. So my channel is dubbed in Chinese. So if you know anyone that likes learning listening in Chinese, you can follow that on X, which is awesome. So Chinese people, welcome into the community. Bybit 60k bonus, Weex $200 bonus, Bitunix $8,000 bonus, Weex Bitunix worldwide KYC exchange free. Crypto masterclass, jamescryptoguru.com. Join us in the Telegram. That's my updates in the market. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'll buy down on Bitcoin. I'll buy down on Tesla, buy down on Ethereum. Altcoins also that I'm going to buy on the cheap. I don't think the bull market is over. October 2025, if you remember that video where I mapped it out, the previous bull runs and how far and how high, it was 560 days since the halving. That's when the bull market finishes, which I targeted September 2025. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.